Guys, I am so sick of this. People think T-Rex actually sound like this. Listen closely to what people think of Listen closely. What I vote is that a man is laughing and put it on slow motion and made like a creepy sound effect. That's what I think is going on. People think T-Rex actually sounded like that, but I don't believe it but reptiles do not roar. But you're right, reptiles do not roar. Some of them can. But I hate the fact that people think T-Rex actually sound like that, because people think what they actually sound like is that what I just put on. Why are people thinking that? People who thinks that y'all insult them. Why don't you listen closely to the video? Why didn't they just listen closely to the video? Why didn't y'all just listen closely? Spicy, we all know that you're a fraud. You don't even eat the food. You don't even eat the food. I broke Google. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry for that glitch. But can people stop thinking T-Rex sound like that? Because I grew up thinking a T-Rex sound like that, but T-Rex didn't actually sound like this. Hollywood, you know this? Hollywood made us think, Hollywood made us think that T-Rex sounded like this, but they actually don't sound like that because people are just lying about what T-Rex actually sounded like. It's just a man laughing. It's just a man laughing. It's just a man laughing with a slow mode and they put a creepy sound effect in it. And I'm really exposing this because I'm getting sick of it. I'm not gonna let this slide. I let it slide for too long when I was born in 2016. But it's all over. I need to make sure people doesn't believe that T-Rex sounds like this anymore. Let's watch.
Dinosaurs really sounded like? No way.
That's a man laughing. Listen closely.
Dinosaurus? Yo, Einstein is laughing. Velociraptor? What? How do we know this stuff? Utah Raptor? Do those come from Utah? Yeah, I like that. Quetzalcoatlus?
Sorry, guys. Alright, guys, so I'm back. So using the sound. I changed my descriptions. So just, I'm gonna reach like, I need to be really close to reach 1,000, but I really appreciate it. I'm gonna make some friendly content from now. Okay, bye.